But this is the moment you've all been waiting for. The car that's gonna be replacing the Corvette is right behind this garage. Many of you have seen it, many of you haven't. So let's go see it right now. Let's reveal it.
Yeah, the replacement is a 2006 base model Corolla.
As we all know, Cheese Vet is taking a break. He's on a paid vacation leave because he broke his leg. So he's gone for now, and we have the Corolla to fill in the spot. And I don't show this car enough love, but I want to. Since I don't have my car, I don't have anything else to do but show this car love. And a lot of you have suggested. I went live the other day talking about it, and you guys said might as well build the Corolla or fix it up while I'm waiting for my Corvette to come back. So I decided why not make that a series, fixing up this Corolla until I get my car back, and then I'll stop as soon as I get my car back. I don't know how long that is, but we might as well have something to do while we wait, right? Because I don't want to just wait not doing anything while I have a whole car here who needs love. So yeah, we're gonna make this sort of like a series, building this car, fixing it up. Some of you said rice it out. I don't know. We'll figure all that out. But today I want to start with the first thing I want to do to this car while my vet is gone. And what better way to start out than fixing the headlights? Making it shine, giving it some nice bulbs. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing, but I know this is gonna transform the car for sure. That's always the first thing I recommend when people get older cars. Restore your headlights and change the bulbs.
Yeah, that is true. And as you'd find out later in this video, this is a mod everybody needs.
But no, you're not watching Social Orbit today. You're watching Social Fix. I'm cutting that out. I was gonna sit in my garage and just fix the headlights while in my garage like a normal person, but the weather outside is rizzy. I'm a grown man, but I wanna go outside because the weather is nice. So I'm gonna go fix it up in the park. First step to making my Corolla look good is fixing those headlights. And that's what we're gonna do today. All right, I came to the park, right? And your boy kind of has social anxiety. For some reason, everybody and their mom wants to be at the park today, so. I don't know how YouTubers do it. They just go in public, holding a camera up to their face and vlogging. When I see more than 2 people, I can't pull out the camera. That's something I need to fix, but we're going back home, so we're just doing driving simulator at this point. We're going back home and we're gonna fix, Jesus, can I pick it up? We're gonna fix my last fit LED light bulbs at home. That's what we're gonna do, because there's 50 people in the park today. I don't know why. Don't they got school? Oh, it's Sunday. That makes sense. I'm going back home though. Have you guys ever wondered what a 0 to 60 in a Corolla is like? I got you. I'm gonna show you right now. 0 to 60 in a Corolla. What's the launch control? 3,000 RPM. Oh my God. Why does it actually pull? And then it stops at 35 because we're in a neighborhood and the speed limit is 35. You guys know how all these YouTubers, like the people who work on their cars, always have friends and connections? Yeah, I have no friends to help me with this, so I always have to do it myself. So I need to find some friends who are actually into this stuff, so my life could be so much easier. That being said, I have no clue what I'm doing, so you guys know exactly who I'm gonna look forward to for help.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm gonna show you what
So these are what we're gonna be switching it out with, the actual OEM. We're gonna be switching out with these light fit bulbs.
The actual installation process was quite easy, just not for me.
Okay, I just ran into a little problem. Let me explain. Okay, so I figured out what I'm supposed to be doing, right? I have to get this out right here because that's where the low beam bulb is. I have to get that, right? The problem is I have no opening and my hands are huge. I'm a tall guy, but no, my hands are actually huge, so I can't fit my hands in there because everything is so close together, so I can't fit my hands in there to get that bulb out. So we might be screwed. Good news, I got it out. I figured it out. I just had to fit all my hands in there and it worked. This is the old one. This is what we're gonna be replacing. These bulbs that do absolutely nothing. They're terrible. And we're gonna be replacing this with this. Let's see how it looks.
I wasn't kidding when I said the old ones were terrible. The left one are the newly installed bulbs and the right one are the OEMs.
All right, so we just installed the first one on that side and the difference is crazy. I'm gonna show you, just look. You see this? You see this?
Yeah, the difference is huge. It's an absolute game changer, but now let's get the second side done to complete the look. Ignore my cheeks. But remember when I said the first part it was hard to fit my hand inside? Oh boy, I wasn't ready for the second side at all, because now I have the big old battery in the way. And this other thing too right here, I have no idea what it is. It was a pain to get to the bulbs. Don't worry though, because we figured that out too. Even with the foggy headlights, you can really see the new last fit LED bulb shining through, and that just speaks volumes about the quality of these. Yes, I attempted to clean it in this video to do these lights better justice, but no matter how hard I tried, I wouldn't clear this lights up. It just wouldn't clear up. I probably have to replace them in the near future, but this is what they look like with both bulbs installed and at nighttime.
Alright, so I'm pretty much done. I've installed the lights, I've attempted to clean the lights, and it looks so much better. That's what's lighting me up right now, if you haven't noticed. But I'm gonna show you. Damn, that looks better.
But yeah, that has been the first mod we're doing with my 2006 Toyota Corolla, the last fit LED light bulb. If you want to pick these up for your own car, make sure you click the first link in the description and use code SOCIALORBIT for 15% off at checkout. Let me know what mods you guys might want to see next. I don't know if I should be getting my Corvette soon or maybe not. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue working on this car when I get my Corvette, but I'll for sure let you guys know. Well, until next time, my friends, take it easy.